Hello and welcome to a new video in the Advanced Control series that is about the checkbox, which returns either a 1 or a 0, on or off. The button is located on the Input-Output tab in the Controls panel under Advanced Controls. It can be customized through a script. Its appearance can be changed through its properties or script. And additional customization can be applied from the Math Formatting tab. The checkbox return value can be customized to return something else besides 1 or 0 if preferred. There are 4 events in the default script for checkbox: start, exec, stop, and click. The exec event is where inputs and outputs can be processed, returning the state of the checkbox. This description and more information can be accessed from the Help Center on the Resources tab, where you'll also find an example that you can directly copy in your worksheet and modify as needed. Now, let's see a use case and a code example. Assuming we have a factory setting, we want to allocate additional time by implementing a structured maintenance schedule for machine usage. This helps with preserving optimal performance and ensuring long-term operational success, while also securing a sustainable and safe production environment. We may have certain regular maintenance tasks, such as oil changes, inspection adjustments, cleaning, or parts replacement in the work process. Since preventative maintenance extends the lifespan of a machinery, its regularity minimizes costly downtime and ensures a consistent production schedule. For each maintenance task, an amount of time can be estimated and then implemented, as in the example below. In step 1, we insert a checkbox to provide an option to include maintenance time in the calculation. Use the right mouse button to click and select Edit. In this example, we edited the script to set the caption on the checkbox depending on the state of the checkbox, checked or unchecked. We have the condition for the checkbox to provide a certain text and be applied to the equation in a first case. Else, we'll see a different case, and its behavior this time will be not to consider it in the equation. The left side of the control can be hidden, and this can be done from the Hide Left Side button in the Controls panel. By checking the box to include maintenance time, we see how the results update throughout the document. Here, the estimated time in a month could be of about 2.5 hours, these representing the difference between the result displayed when the checkbox is used versus when it's not. Knowing this, the company and its engineers will know how to adjust their schedule to include the extra time needed for maintenance in their work process. In step 2, we use a Mathcad program that checks the value of a checkbox, which can be 1 or 2, and uses the appropriate formula. We have the formula for the second machine, a checkbox with corresponding messages, and the Mathcad program containing if-else statements to return a result based on either the first or the second formula. Further, we have the usage notes for a better understanding and focus on the main concepts. If you're interested in learning more about the class, events, format properties, and state properties, then you may consult the help documentation provided online and also inside the software. Thank you for watching.